friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a thrifty video. So I'm here today to share, I come to you usually once a week unless I have something special and extra to show you. But yeah, I come to you once a week where I share with you my thrifty goodies that I've thrifted from the past week. And two other people have been doing this, so I like to mention them. And they put hashtag Thrifty Thursday in their videos if they do it. And it's Dell from Dell McBay from Not Too Shabby Chic and Maria from Maria's Miscellany. So anyway, here is what I picked up. I don't have very much to show you today, but these are all books. And they're very cool books, I think. I put them, most of these in my shop, I think. So I'll tell you as we go along. But this one is called, I like the cover. This is really heavy. But, big chunk book, and it's kind of big. But I just like the cover, too. Besides the fact that it's just a nice book. And, vintage book. It's called the Coronation Edition of the Fairy Queen by Edmund Spencer. And you can see the cover here with the shields and the different shields and things like that. I think that is that armor. I'm not sure what's on there, but anyway, you can see that. Here's the spine, here's the back. Everything's together. And then here's the inside. There's some pictures and, just a lot of text and a few pictures here and there. Everything's together as far as the spine, not coming apart or anything. Here, let me show you this. See? Coming apart. You can see it in there, but it's not coming apart or anything. So, yeah, real nice book here. This one has paper over that part. See that paper? And paper just kind of goes over like that. Let me look at this one again. Oh, what was I looking at? Because this one does the same thing. I must have been looking over here. Oh, I don't know. Is there another? Anyway. Yeah, I thought I saw a space, but I guess not. Anyway, I'm confused. Okay, so this one, the copyright date is, this one didn't have a copyright date. That's right. You can see the pages are browning, but I have no idea how old it is because I remember putting this in my shop and there's no date in the listing because there's no copyright date in here. But that's just a really nice book with a really nice cover, so it's in there. And then I'm kind of going by size so I can stack these balanced over here on a chair next to my table here. But this one I put in my shop because this one is in decent condition. I've got a few of these, and the other ones I'm crafting with because the plastic is coming up. Now the plastic is coming up barely on this one, but the spine is all, complete here. And, it's not perfect, of course. It's a used book. But it just was in the best condition of the ones I got. So I went ahead and put this one in my shop at least. And this is the P.O. to S.T. Golden Book Illustrated Dictionary. I love these. And I just love the text and the fonts and the little pictures. And I just love these, the whole look of them. This one has some spots on the edge here of the pages. I don't know what it is, but there are some spots here. But, that wouldn't bother me if I was going to make a junk journal out of this. You're going to take the pages out anyway and use them for maybe some pages in a journal, and then you can use them for pages in other journals and ephemera and things like that. But really, really cute. I love this one too. It has some really nice pictures in it. Oh, and these are I think the other ones were 1961. I think this one probably is 1961 also. Yeah, yes, 1961 is the latest date in here. So that gives you an idea of how old it is. It's vintage. And this one was really cool. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. I went ahead and put it in my shop, even though I love it. But here's the cover. It's, got some grudge on it, but it's very charming. Things to make and do. It reminded me of the Childcraft, but it's not Childcraft, but it has it's Child Horizons. Beautiful picture here. Here's the spine. Also a little grungy, but it's all there and not coming apart. There's wear here. You see on the corners. There's wear. There's wear. But it's all together and it's nice. I think it's really nice. And then here's the inside all together. The spine. It's got a library card in it. It was at a, this one says First Presbyterian Church. So maybe a church or a church school, maybe, So here's the nice pages in this one. Really nice. Kind of remind me of also the Childcraft, but I think this is a little narrower. Maybe the same length here, but I think it's a little narrower than a Childcraft, but same type of, you know, crafty pictures in here, all different colors, and just really interesting. You know, every page is interesting because of all the crap. Oh, there was the bird, I think, was colored here, or colored in pencil. Let me see that again if I can find it. I didn't see that before. I just now saw it. Someone colored the bird here in pencil, it looks like. This one and this one in the white part is like got some pencil there. I'm pretty sure that looks like pencil. I don't think it was supposed to be, I don't think it came like that. But anyway, it, you know, you can erase it or paint over it, you know, depending on what you want to do. Here's the library number here and there. But, you know, it's not expensive in my, here's a little bookmark here. Oh, yeah, I think I did see this bookmark. It's like a little piece of paper, and I didn't take it out because it's stuck there. And I didn't want to tear anything, so I just left it there. And whoever gets this can do whatever they want with that. But the next book is a Childcraft. This one is beautiful too. This one and the Make and Do are my favorite Childcraft books. This one's Poems and Rhymes. It's this orange one. I don't think I've ever, I don't know if I've ever gotten one of these before. You know, the different years they, you know, designed them different ways and different colors and things. So pretty pictures here and here. And this one, let's see what year this was. See, this is the one with the poems. I read this one a lot when I was a kid and just, I believe, memorized all of these little poems in here. But this is 1974. So here are the pictures in this one and the poems and things. All the classics. Little Bo Peep. The Old Woman in a Shoe. You know, you get the idea. These pages are a little slick. So that's the 1970, what did I say it was? 1976? I forgot what I said. 1976 or something like that. 1974. Yeah, so 1974. By then they had these slick pages. But they're so nice and vintage looking. I love them. Anyway, look, I love this one with the frogs. So cute. Oh, a tear. Now that's the first time I saw that one. I didn't put that in my listing because I didn't see it. So there's always something I could miss in my listing. But I do, you know, they're all used books, so you have to expect, you know, wear. Plus maybe something that I missed, apparently. But I'll go back and see if I can add that to the listing and take a picture of it. If there's a tear in one of the pages. Because I probably put no tears because I didn't see that one. But, yeah, I didn't see it. Okay, I'm going to put that sideways so I can remember to go back and take a picture. Okay, this one was cool. Little Men, Louisa May Alcott, you know, Little Men, Little Women. It's a nice shape. It's old and, you know, it's worn, but it's got a nice worn feeling to it. It doesn't look like it's really coming apart. There's a little split right there from this. It just doesn't look like it's going all the way through, but there's something there, you know, like a little, you know, it's got its wear marks, so, you know, it's an old book, so, you know, you have to expect that. Looks like it was a library book, so the library took the cards out here in the back or whatever, library pockets. Nice text. I don't see any writing or tears. There's a couple colored pictures in here and a couple black and white. As I flip through, maybe you could see them real quick here. I don't want to, you know, take too much time, but see, there's a colored one. Another beautiful colored one. Little Men. Very cute. Very cute. The Naughty Man. The boys are smoking here around the table. Being bad, I'm sure. They're not supposed to be smoking and playing cards. So maybe they're playing poker or something. But, yeah, that's cute. This is a real vintage looking one here. I'll tell you the copyright on this in a second. But that's a cute one there. That very vintage color on that one. Okay, this is a cute one here. Love that one. So let's see, what year was this? This one was pretty old if I remember right. Here's an address. No, we don't want an address. We want a date. No dates here on this page. Well, this says 55, but I don't know. Let's see, let me look over here because I remember. Okay, nope, not there, not there, not there. see, here's a page we're missing. That's oh, there's some crayon there. I think I did see that before. I put that. I might have taken a picture of that for the listing. This is a nice, like the end pages here. I like that. All right, so I don't, here it says discarded, and library probably scratched whatever that says the name of the library there. I can see through it, kind of, but they scratched it out in pencil. So just to be expected when you buy a used book like this. And so, I thought I saw a copyright before. Just let me look one more time, real quick here. Oh, here it is, right in front of me. 1950. 1950 is right here. So cool. So that's a 1950 book. And the other three, I just have three more. So yeah, I told you it was a quick one today, right? So this is Arabian Nights. I like the cover on this one too. The colors and just the little images. And here's there's a pretty spine in the back. It's got some wear, but it's in nice condition, really. And there's the opening end pages. Very nice, and everything's together. Here's the pages. I don't see any writing or tears. There's black and white and color again, just like the others we were looking at today. But yeah, the pages are starting to brown around the edges. Got some natural distressing there. Let's see. And the year on this one is 1946. So a nice oldie there. Nice vintage oldie. Let's see. I want to check Little Min. Check my listing and make sure I have pictures of the writing or whatever that was that I showed you. And this is a shorthand book. I have sold these before, and I have one. I think I kept one so that I have one to use myself. And then when I find them now, I put them in my shop, since I've already, saved one for my own use. But this is Greg Shorthand Simplified for Colleges, Volume 1. And there's someone wrote rules for shorthand. I don't know if a student did that or a teacher, but it's very nice handwriting, if you can see that. 1 through 5 rules there. I thought that was very interesting. Here's what it looks like. This is a pretty old one, I think, if I remember right. I'm going to list it. I looked at the date, but yeah, 1953. 1953 on that one. You see it's kind of discolored up here. I don't know if it was yellow, green, maybe green to begin with. And it's kind of got some brown up here, just from wear, whatever age. So, yeah, that's a nice one. And the last one, this little cutie pie. Love is a Special Way of Feeling by, this is, what does that say? Gosh, I can't read it through. Let me see in here. I know her name, but I don't want to, I guess it says Joan Walsh England. There's something in front of it. Oh, I guess it's just part of the vine. That's what I was seeing. I was trying to see if that was letters or part of her name, but I believe her name is just Joan Walsh England. See, this was discarded from a library also, and there's the library numbers. But it's all together, and it's really cute. See, they took the library book. I don't know why I don't just leave it, because you're left with the glue residue there. And they crossed out a name there, probably of the library or something, or the school. Here's the little library paper. I thought that was cute. Here, left with the number from the library. But it's really nice, a cute shape. It would be a cute little junk journal. 1960. And these have the cutest little pages and pictures and things in here. Let's see, let me show you. Cute, right? And there's the cover. So that is it. So thank you for watching today, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting and happy thrifting.